Hi guys, we've got two packages for Ida, or actually all three are for Ida, but these two are from AliExpress from China, and this one is from Poland, from Allegro, a local eBay-like auction service. That's something really unique, so we'll leave this for the end. Which one first? This one, okay. Here we've got something that Ida already got before, but since she's got a few friends, a cousin, that batch last time wasn't enough, so I bought two more. You probably already guessed it, not even two pieces, but three pieces. What's this? Puppet. Okay, so this is gonna be for Hania and for somebody else. These the same color as last time?
No.
No, okay. Here we go. You know what we got here?
No.
No. And where do you have your sports band? Okay. So we've got our Mi Band replacements. Ida's got hers there. Here is mine, as you can see, without a band because mine broke. Because taking it in and out of a band to get it charged, unfortunately, damages the band. She's got the Mi Band 5, and in that one, I believe you can hook up the charging without taking it out of a band. In the Mi 4, you unfortunately have to take it out and place it in a holder like this, and it's causing some damage. So which one do you want?
This one.
This one. So according to the packaging and on the offer on AliExpress, this is for Mi Band 3 and 4, but I believe the Mi Band 5 is exactly the same. So as you can see, it does fit perfectly. As you can see, these bands are not really made for kids. Well, the original one also not, since her arm is really thin. This flies around, so I guess the exact measurement is probably imprecise. And now for mine. And which should I choose? This one, okay. And it also fits mine perfectly. Although in my case, a bit better fit on the arm. You know what this is?
No.
What do you collect?
Hippos.
Hippos, exactly. I've got a collection of hippos. Well, Ida has a collection of hippos, but I found this collection of hippos somebody was selling off. A really small collection, but already I believe there were 4 pieces, so bought them really cheaply. So we'll expand our set. nice.
Yes. It's very funny.
They're funny. So I would say awesome. Check it out, really heavy. I guess this is some type of rock. Really, really nice and unique. It's a hippo? It's more like a pig.
Yes, it's a hippo.
Check it out. Now the last one. Really cute. So that's it for today. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and
So yeah, soon.
see you again soon.